What is going on, guys? Joel here, back with another video, and in this video we're checking out iOS 13 beta 4. So Apple released a new update this week for those that are running the developer beta. So if you haven't updated yet, go ahead and do so. But if you're running the public iOS 13 beta, there's still probably another few days, probably another week until you receive an update for that. But there's not much that has changed, as you may or may not know. Going forward, there's not going to be much changing in the iOS 13 betas, but there will be refinements, improvements, bug fixes. Of course, that's what these betas are for, to help fix the bugs and things like that before the final release in the fall. But checking out the fourth installment of iOS 13 beta, there has been some things that I've checked out and noticed going from beta 3 to beta 4. So here on my left, I have an iPhone 8 Plus running iOS 13 beta 3, and then on my right, I have iOS 13 beta 4 on the iPhone XR. So here you'll be able to notice the differences going from beta 3 to beta 4. So let's check out. One of the first things that I noticed is in the settings. Whenever you go to the settings, it seems like there is now smaller fonts system wide. You can kind of tell already just by glancing at it. So for one, the text has shrunken from beta 3 to beta 4, and also it seems like there has been more padding in between the cells here. So if you look closely, there's a lot more space between these here, which hopefully they do fix, because it does seem that there's less information displayed on here with the extra padding on there. So what do you think about this new little change? Do you think that's gonna be final or what? Hopefully they fix it. I actually took a screenshot while I was on beta 3 on my iPhone XR here, but here you'll see this is beta 3, and you'll see that you have general and then control center down here, but in beta 4 it just goes down to general. So hopefully on the next beta or the final version of iOS 13, they do fix this, because there's just a lot of empty space now comparing beta 3 to beta 4. So once again, this is beta 3, beta 4 here. Now another change that you will notice in the Messages app is the send voice memo icon has changed. So this is iOS 13 beta 3, and now you'll notice this new icon on beta 4. Now when on your home screen, and then the change that you will notice is the new design to the quick actions menu here. So whenever you haptic touch or 3D touch, which we'll talk about here in a second, you get this new quick action options here. So it has shrunken down here, and also you get this new rearrange apps. So this actually works in all the apps that you decide to haptic touch. So if you haptic touch this app, then you get the rearrange apps. So basically it turns all your apps into wiggle mode, so that way you can rearrange them easily, just like that. But you can still rearrange them by pressing and holding, or long pressing here, and then you get into wiggle mode. Something else I noticed when doing so is when you press and hold it and you get this quick action menu, you can actually hold the menu or also the icon and move the icon around if you decide to want to rearrange your icons. Before you couldn't do that, so here you try to move it around, you can't. So that's a new change. You can hold this and then just move everything around if you wanted to. Also, for those that have 3D touch enabled devices, beta 4 seems to have brought 3D touch back how it's supposed to be working. So I haven't been able to test it out because I'm using a iPhone XR, which has haptic touch, but apparently on 3D touch devices, so this is a iPhone 8 Plus, it does have 3D touch, but it's running beta 3, so it's still not functioning properly on here, but apparently on beta 4 it is working. So if you have a 3D touch enabled device, let me know in the comments below if it is working for you. Also, another subtle change is in the widgets page here. The edit button goes from a circle on beta 3 to now it's a pill-like round icon here. Now when going into your Apple Music app, you'll notice also this icon, this menu icon here, is now a lighter shade. And when you click on that, so when you click here on the menu icon, the text has gotten smaller. You'll notice also whenever you get out of dark mode and you go into light mode, the menus are now white, to where here it was more of a gray color. So now they're white, and of course you have that smaller text as well. But throughout beta 4, there has been other subtle changes here and there. Let me know what you have found in the comments below, but these are kind of like the main ones that I've ran across and worth noting. Also, something else to note is that iOS 13 beta 4 has been running pretty smoothly on the XR over here. It could be that final time to finally put it on my daily device that I use, which is the XS Max, because I have yet to install it on there. But with it now being on beta 4, many of the bugs will more than likely be fixed now. So if you are running the developer beta, let me know what you have found in the comment section below. Again, if you're running the public beta, expect that to come out in about a week. But anyways, as always, if you enjoyed this video, let me know by hitting that like button down below, as it not only lets me know that you enjoyed the video, but it also shows support to the channel. Also, if you're not yet following me on social media like Twitter, Instagram, all that good stuff, I'll leave those down below in the description. Feel free to reach out if you found some more updates or fixes to beta 4. Also, if you feel like being awesome and you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and be sure to hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I drop a new video. But let me know in the comment section below what you want to see as my next upload besides these iOS 13 beta updates. I am working on some different videos, so stay tuned for those, but I do want to get your feedback as to what you want to see on the channel. Anyways, guys, thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate your support very much, and I'll catch you all on the next one. All right, peace.